Hey friends, if you wish to set or change your default printer in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution, the procedure. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Bluetooth and devices tab on the list on the left hand side. Select printers and scanners in the right pane. Now we have a lot of printers here. All you need to do to change your printer is click on it and then you can select that one. Okay, like you can click on this and you can make sure that it is added here. Does it make the default printer? No, because the default printer is dependent upon the application. So let us say that I want to make it the default printer for Microsoft Word. Then I will have to click on file, I will have to click on print, I will have to change it from here. Okay, this is how I can change the default printer for a certain application. There is no specific default printer on the system itself, but yes, you can add and make sure that the devices are added from the same location. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.